Welcome to the channel. Today's video is going to be on shelf liner installation and a few LED lights. Let's get started. Alright, so this shelf liner that I bought was picked up from Walmart. It's the Easy Liner Select Grip, and it was the 12-inch by 6-foot roll, a light gray color, and for about $6. And then I cut it down to 9 3/4 so that it would fit the width of the shelf. And here it is, all completed on the shelf with all my storage boxes, and you see it fits perfectly right up to the back of wall and goes from one end to the other perfectly. Next up is the LED light installation. Let's go. I ordered these off of Amazon, and I will put the description in the link below, using a little 3M tape that I picked up from Walmart. And as you can see, I put it and mounted it under the bottom of the shelf perfectly. Here's the light mounted under the shelf. And then I took one of them and mounted into the box on the front on the tongue. And then, after wiring up, I put this one in the front to the first switch on the right, and the two on the side, on either side of the trailer, are connected to the second switch. And as you can see, by turning off and on, that switch controls both side lights, and then the front switch controls the front LED light only. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video.